Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best portable keyboard piano available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have KPP Portable Keyboard Piano. The 88 keys electronic piano keyboard built in 128 kinds of tone, 128 kinds of rhythm, 20 demonstration songs. It is designed according to real piano 1-to-1. It's an ideal gift for kids and adult for budding pianist. The music keyboard has built-in speaker and multifunction interface microphone audio input function. The roll-up piano is made of high-quality environmentally friendly plastic material. Its lightweight and rollable design makes it easy to carry and enjoy playing anytime and anywhere. At number 5 we have Hami's Portable Keyboard Piano. This 32-key keyboard piano has preseated 128 tones, 128 rhythms, and 30 demo songs which can satisfy beginners to play and sing various styles of music. This 32-key keyboard can be connected to headphones beginners can monitor while playing. The keyboard has built-in speakers, and can also be connected to speakers to enhance the sound effect. At number 4 we have Rock Jam Portable Keyboard Piano. This Rock Jam keyboard piano features 54 full-size keys that gives this keyboard a traditional piano feel. It is compact and portable. The Rock Jam 54 keyboard piano can be powered by either batteries and mains power. That's making it perfect for use both in the home and on the road. Its two inbuilt stereo speakers provide excellent sound quality. That's allowing you to monitor your practice and performances. At number 3 we have Plexia Portable Keyboard Piano. It has customized the sounds of your music keyboard and play along with your favorite songs. Musicians that frequently travel can also utilize the dual power supply by using the included power adapter. Each keyboard has features 100 rhythms, 60 demo songs, 40 tones, 8 percussions and volume or tempo control. This music keyboard also automatically comes with a full 1-year warranty that protects against any damage or defects. At number 2 we have Pax's Portable Keyboard Piano. This Singbell digital piano keyboard has 88 full-size with built-in speakers that closely replicate the feel of a real piano. It comes with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. The inbuilt stereo speakers on this electric keyboard deliver a powerful 24 watts of sound. It performs a recital with built-in speakers, headphones, a rhythm programmer, and music player function that help to find the perfect sound and recreate classic music. At number 1 we have MSET Piano. The 37 keys music keyboard piano within 200 rhythms, 200 tones and 50 demos double loudspeaker. It is helpful for beginners to become familiar with the traditional piano. You can enjoy hours of learning play and allowing you to have a better playing experience. The functional area is equipped with a LED display. That's allowing you to display the status of the function. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best portable keyboard piano for your need.